देखिए, भारत चीना सीमा पर सोमवार को जो बैठक शुरू हुई, 7th कॉर्प्स कमांडर लेवल की जो बैठक थी वो देर रात तक जारी रही और इस बैठक को लेकर किसी भी तरह का कोई भी आधिकारिक बयान जो है वो जारी नहीं किया गया है। हालांकि ये जरूर माना जा रहा है कि भारत ने चीन के सामने पूर्वी लद्दाख में मौजूदा स्थिति से पूरी तरह से चीनी सैनिकों को पीछे हटाने की बात पर एक बार फिर से जोर दिया। भारतीय अधिकारी अपनी बात पर डटे रहे। लद्दाख से चीनी सैनिकों को पीछे हटाने के लिए ये बैठक भारतीय सीमा के चुशुल मोल्डो इलाके में हुई, जिसमें पहली बार चीन के एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्ट्री के सीनियर डिप्लोमेट शामिल हुए। मेरे साथ मेरे सहयोगी शिंजो यहाँ पर ज्यादा अपडेट के लिए जुड़ गए हैं। शिंजो, दिस इज द 7th टॉप कमांडर लेवल मीटिंग दैट हैपेंड yesterday and went on for nearly 12 hours, in which for the first time China's external affairs ministry senior diplomat also attended this meeting, but there is no breakthrough.
Well, what we know for sure is that India made two very important points. This, of course, comes from the decision that was made earlier by top officials here at the China Study Group meeting. These were as follows. One, that there should be complete disengagement at all levels, which basically means that the Chinese have to go back to where they came from, and they should be where they were on the 30th of April. The second point relates to when this happened. The Indian side has said, you came first, you leave first. That is a clear message that has gone out. Now, we are expecting a statement from the Indian side later in the day to explain what really happened. And the statement is likely to say that there will be more talks and perhaps there will be a little of some forward movement mentioned. We don't know that yet. That is speculation, but we know that there have been other issues discussed about a drawdown of tanks and so on. But exactly what has happened and what both sides have agreed on, we will wait and see for just a while.
ठीक है, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया शिंजो इस अपडेट के लिए।